Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making peanut burfis or bars, also known as Singdana Burfi. Peanuts are rich in protein and healthy monounsaturated fats, which won't spike your blood levels, sugar levels, and is a very good diabetic snack as it is made by jaggery. If you are allergic to peanuts, then instead of peanuts, you can use puffed rice or sesame seeds and make the burfi following the same steps. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started! We will need 250 grams of roasted peanuts, 150 grams of dark jaggery, 1 tablespoon of ghee, 1 teaspoon cardamom powder, and grated dry fruits for garnishing at the end. As you can see, we have roughly peeled our peanuts. Now we're going to grind these peanuts. And make sure you don't grind it too finely or the oil will start to separate. The best way to blend these peanuts is to put it on pulse instead of 1 and 2 and then blend it like this. Now we are going to put in our ghee in a heated pan. Then add our jaggery. You'll have to keep stirring the jaggery so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. We'll do this for 2 to 3 minutes. So it's been 3 minutes and now all of our jaggery has melted. It is very important to do this process on a low flame. This is the right time to add in our cardamom powder, and you can also add in some dry fruits if you like. If you like our videos, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more amazing recipes. So as you can see, we've now got bubbles popping up. Now we're going to add in our peanuts, which we have grounded. Now we're going to turn off the heat and then mix it well. If you don't turn off the heat right now, then your jaggery might get a bit chewy and then your bars will end up a bit chewy as well. Now that everything is mixed well, we're going to take a tray and then grease it well with ghee, or you can use butter as well. Then put in our peanut and jaggery mixture. Once you've done that, we're going to spread it out evenly. We're going to sprinkle in our chopped almonds and pistachios for garnishing. Then we're going to gently tap it down. Now that we've let it cool down just a little bit, but make sure that it's still a bit warm so that it's nice and easy to cut, we're going to start cutting them into shapes. You can cut them into long bars, little squares, diamonds, circles, any of your choice. You can even use some molds. We're going to cut them into some squares, like this. And then we're also going to do some diamonds. Make sure you do this when they are still a little bit warm. Now we're going to leave it to cool down to room temperature for around 10 to 15 minutes and then we'll start plating. Now that it's been 10 minutes, we're going to start taking them out and do the plating. As you can see, it comes out very easily and looks really delicious. I hope you liked our videos, and if you did, then please drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Bye for now, thanks for watching, happy cooking!